Hello friends, so what's up? Here we are in for a new tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to download any torrent file on your iOS device. The iOS device can be an iPhone, an iPad. You know that this trick is going to work perfectly for you. So I'm using an iPad, and it's with it I'm going to show you the trick. So you open the Safari browser. So before going to that, let's talk on what we're gonna use. We're gonna be using two applications of profiles. The first one is known as AppCake, and we can get it on the website known as iPhoneCake.com. And the second is iTransmission, which we get on iOS.io. So I open the Safari browser. And go on for a new tab and search for iPhoneCake.com. Alright, once you're on the website, you click on these three slashes right up here at your right top corner, and you click on the AppCake iOS app. Okay, so here we're gonna click on install AppCake. So normally, since it's going to be a first time, you won't receive this pop-up. Instead, a pop-up will come up telling you, asking you to authorize the download of the profile. So once you download the profile, you need to come on to your settings, and in this left hand corner, the settings bar here, you will see just after you upload, you see a profile downloaded bar there, which you're gonna authorize. So as for me, I've already downloaded it and click on it. So this actually what you're going to get. This website is trying to download a configuration file. Do you want to allow this? You click on allow, and you can see I've already downloaded it and installed the profile, so I just need to trust the app right here. When you install the profile, this is what you're actually going to need to do. So you come onto your home screen now. After installing the profile, you see the app icon right here. So when you click on that, once you've now trusted the app, you just click on the app and you see the pop-up message will say the developer is untrusted. So what you're going to do to fix this is you head on to your settings, and in your menu bar here, you click on general and navigate to device management. So you're gonna click on the enterprise app here for the 8 cap. So you're gonna trust the app right here, and you trust it here. Okay, so the app has been trusted, and now you come on, open the AppCake, and that's it, that's happened. So this, it actually shows me this menu because I have installed it and installed several times, so I will need to verify my mobile device by downloading the profile once more. So when you come here, when you open the app, it's going to show you the screen I'm going to do. So let me just verify this step. Okay, so once you open the app for your first time, this is how it's going to look like this. This is what it's going to look like. So now for the second application, we're going to open the browser, open a new tab, and we search for iOS Ninja. torrents.io. So once we get here, if you're on a mobile, an iPhone, so you have something like this with these 3 dots right here. So you're gonna click on the 3 dots, and before you see this drop down menu, so on the iPad, I've closed on the page. So okay, so yeah, once you see your drop down menu, you click on iOS right here. Click on that, and you navigate, scroll up, you can find several other apps. So that's not what we are looking for. So we scroll up, 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 and this is the app we're looking for. You can see the description assigned to it. It's indicated download torrent files on your iOS device. So we click on that, and you reach this step. So once here, you click on download IPA. Okay, so once you're on this page, you click on download, and your download will start immediately after your confirmation here. So you can see the progress right here. Okay, so you click on that, okay, once you click on that, you reach this area right here. You open your files and you select the iTransmission app you downloaded. So this is the one I downloaded, and you click on this icon right here. So you scroll on for more and click on copy to app cake. So the file is imported, and I want to switch the download tab, of course. Switch there, and you click on the app, click on install. Okay, you're gonna get this message, so you wanna click on install. You can see it's installing. So once it's installed, this is how it's gonna look like. So you can open the app and browsing. So let's go into a browser. And you go search for your favorite torrents. My favorite website for that is oxtorrent.com. So I'm going to choose okay, I'll take this one. Alright, so the torrent file has been downloaded, so you just click on it and click here, search for more, and now copy to iTransmission. Okay, so you can see the torrent is connecting to PS, still connecting to PS, and it's going to start download. So you can click on the torrent to see its actual position and its activity. You can see we're already connected to 1011 CDs and the download has actually started. So you come here and you see the download is going on successfully. So guys, this is how you actually download torrent files on your iOS device. And if you like this video, if it really helped you, just give it a like and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And if you found any problem, if you happen to occur in any problem in this tutorial, you can always mention your problem in the comment section. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you in the next video.